KC Weatherland. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, going back to that last story, at least the sun came out the day after the Saints lost, but it's moving on ahead, and we'll watch maybe the Super Bowl, although we'll still have that feeling of what if 3 seasons in a row. But anyway, weather-wise, couldn't ask for better today. Kind of cheering you up with lots of sunshine out there. Temperatures reaching the lower 70s, courtesy of high pressure anchored out in the Gulf of Mexico. Jet stream is busiest across the northern tier of states, and no issues with that for now. But we do have a storm system over here that's going to be developing, pushing through the Rockies and bringing us a good chance of showers and storms by the latter part of this week. If not, we think early Saturday. Right now, we're leaning towards Saturday morning, but that timing may change. Near term, though, fair skies. We have those southerly winds. We have a bank of stratiform clouds offshore. They're going to stay out there, but these clouds that are starting to firm up across central Louisiana back through eastern Texas will continue as we head into the evening hours. That's associated with a weak front. Temperature-wise today, lower 70s. Right now, we're sitting in the mid-60s for the low to mid-60s for the most part, and you really can't see much cooler air. Dallas, a little bit cooler air, but it normally is the same over at Waco. But there is a front on the way somewhere around here, but very nondescript with respect to any weather that we're going to see with it. Maybe a quick pop-up shower anywhere between about 11 o'clock tonight and 3 o'clock in the morning, and then we'll be back to mostly sunny skies. Temperatures dropping down into the upper 40s, lower 50s. A little bit of a chill tomorrow morning, so bundle on up. You're going to need the jackets and sweaters, and staying cool tomorrow. Temperatures topping out in the lower 60s, but lots of sunshine as high pressure continues to build in. Winds go light tomorrow night as high pressure travels overhead, and that will allow for a little bit of a winter chill, more than likely getting down into the mid to upper 30s. We'll favor about 37 for the low in Lafayette, but colder to the north. More on that in just a bit. And then mostly sunny skies continuing Wednesday. Another nice day ahead before the clouds begin to move in as we head into Thursday, and we see that on the European model as a storm system up across the western Great Lakes will tie down to a storm system that will be developing across Texas as we head into Friday. It's going to get windy locally. Pressure gradient kicks in. High pressure to the east, low pressure deepening here in Texas, and a severe weather risk busting out across the Arklatex Friday afternoon. Friday night, that moves into Louisiana and into Arkansas and perhaps portions of Acadiana. And we're talking not only thunderstorms that could produce damaging winds, but there could be a significant tornado threat, especially up toward northwest Louisiana in the state and then across the Arklatex. So something that we'll be watching closely. We're going with the European model here, which ends the precip Saturday afternoon and holds it off until Saturday, versus the GFS model that's wetter on Friday as well. We think it's going to be a one system and done. But then after that, going into next week, some quick changes after a pretty decent Sunday. More rain on the way for Monday. We get a break on Tuesday, and then more rain developing Wednesday. We're going to have that subtropical jet stream here. Colder air poised up here. We'll watch that. That may change the weather pattern into the third week of the month, but too early to call right now. For the most part, temperatures staying at or above normal over the next week to 10 days. Tonight, upper 40s to lower 50s across the board. Tomorrow, we'll favor lower 60s. 62, 63 is the normal high this time of year. We should hit that. Tomorrow night, mid to upper 30s, closer to freezing, perhaps up toward Alexandria. So could be a frosty one tomorrow night. So you may want to cover the plants for tomorrow evening. And then going into Wednesday afternoon, back into the mid to upper 60s with lots of sunshine. So the next 24 hours, we'll find ourselves nice and cool. Nice breeze out there as well. Temperatures in the lower 60s with plenty of sun and clear skies tomorrow night. And as we move ahead over the next 5 days, good looking weather through Thursday. Clouds coming in, and look at this, back into the 70s, and then even upper 70s, maybe 80 on Friday. It's going to be a windy day. Severe weather threat sometime late Friday night, early Saturday. This timing is going to change with time. And since we put the cold fronts on there, I want to show you the warm fronts. So we're going to have some changeable weather, as it so often does in the wintertime, with cool spats, warm spats, and maybe a stormy spat in between as we head into early Saturday.
A little bit of everything. All right,
indeed.
thanks, Rob.